guys? Long time no see. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you are an OG, welcome back. Welcome back, friend. I feel like we haven't sat and chit chat and just talked in a very long time, so I'm excited to do this video. This is not a sponsored video, but I was invited to attend the Kendrick and SZA tour in Atlanta with Windsor, and y'all, they gave me a wardrobe. Actually, they didn't even give me a limit. They were like, choose some concert outfits and we'll send it to you because we want you to wear Windsor clothes to the concert. And I'm like, you know what? I can do that. I knew the clothes were coming, but I didn't know like a concert box was coming. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I got because I'm kind of excited. I have eliminated polyester out of my wardrobe, so I'm no longer buying anything that got polyester in it. And I also, I ain't gonna say I threw all my polyester stuff out. It's just in a whole nother room, but it is no longer in my rotation. Say that all to say, I don't work with brands that don't have any natural fabrics in any of their clothing or like majority of their clothing. So I was so pleasantly surprised that your girl Windsor had so many items for me to choose from. So I have 4 potential outfits, shoes too, shoes included, 4 outfits. And this is the box that they sent. I'm trying to get it in the frame so y'all can see it. When you open the box, it says party on. It comes with this card here that says the ultimate concert survival kit, the essentials every Windsor it girl needs. Look at how packed this thing is. They sent me some Tic Tacs because you never know when your breath gonna be kicking, period. I actually don't like Tic Tacs, but it's something to keep in your bag at all times. So I'm just gonna add to my little purse collection. They also sent me a new selfie light. Thank God, y'all, because I think like 2 of them already went out on me. So I actually really needed this. And you do need that at the concert. A portable digital camera. I wonder if this one gives like that old 90s film type of look. If so, this is gonna be so clutch for the Kendrick SZA concert because that's the whole like aesthetic they give with like the airbrush t-shirts and all that. Anyway, they thought that out. I like that. We have accessories. I'm gonna show y'all all this stuff on, but I ended up getting like a big brown, I think it's brown, like, no, it's black. I ended up getting a big black belt, like super thick. And then I ended up getting like a gold wrap chain boho type of belt, so I got those. They also sent a Tower 28 facial spray and the Summer Fridays lip gloss. I really like this lip gloss. This is actually the one I already have. They also gave me a JBL, and honestly, I am always so amazed and like so grateful when brands send me things like this because it's always something I really want, but it's just like, whew, that price tag, I'll chill. I'll just listen to it out of my sound bar or something. But this right here is, I'm gonna put it in my shower. I have a pink one, but I'm like, the black one just matches the shower aesthetic, so I think I'm gonna just take this in my shower and leave it. But yeah, they sent a JBL. That is so, I love when brands do that. They also sent a Uber voucher and a Uber Eats voucher. Clutch, because we're gonna need to get to the concert. This belly chain, I haven't worn like a gold belly chain in a very long time. So I don't know, I'm thinking this could go with the white look that I have. I think this is a gold bag because I wanted like a lot of gold accessories because I'm a gold girl. I love a good gold, and I actually don't have a nice gold handbag, so I felt like this was the perfect time. Okay, this is nicer than I thought it was gonna be. Not even gonna hold you. Oh my gosh, the quality. Like it's literally holding its shape. Y'all see that? And it has a little mini strap. Look at that. This is the cutest freaking thing. What's... Like, it is see-through though, but it's very sturdy. I don't know how to explain it, but it's very sturdy. I'm gagging right now. This is so pretty. Oh, no, this is really cute. For the first fit that I was thinking of, I wanted to go for more of like a boho SZA, like things just hanging off of you. That's what I think about when I think of boho. So they had this crop top that I thought was so pretty. I really like the sleeves because it gives like a very flowy, I don't know, it makes me feel so angelic, and that's the vibe I get when I'm thinking about boho. I also got this white skirt. You probably can't see it in this lighting right here, but it's super duper long. And the quality on this thing is amazing. It's so flowy and just airy, but also it's just very SZA. So that's the first outfit. The second outfit I wanted to go with is this denim jumpsuit. I just had to get something denim. Really like this bra detailing with this little like U shape. I like that it's a halter. Very, very sturdy. It has the belly out, as you can see, and also the back out. The back is also out. It's super cute. And they are also bell bottoms. So I felt like this would be super cute, even if not for the SZA Kendrick concert, for the Beyonce concert, for Cowboy Carter, of course. We had to keep multiple concerts in mind this year. Also, I'm going to a little rodeo, a little boots on the ground, little festival type event too. So it's like, I wanted to go ahead and get a few things that I can like mix and match and wear for other occasions. So that might get worn Cowboy Carter, I don't know. I also decided to go with like a oversized t-shirt type of look. So I went with this. I got it in an extra large. The look is gonna be in like the jewelry and the cowboy boots and my hair. It's just a nice simple look. I just want to give y'all like a nice simple look so that you're not overthinking everything, you know? Like I said, we were going for natural fabric. So I was like, that'll be a really good one. Just a nice cotton t-shirt. And the last but not least outfit that I picked out were these overalls. I actually haven't opened them or tried these on, but they look real sturdy. These are some really good overalls. So I don't know. And I got them in a size medium. I think they're barrel jeans. I don't know. They're very baggy. Look how baggy they look. We're gonna see. I don't know what that's gonna look like, but I'm thinking we're gonna hang like the overalls off a little bit. And then the last thing that I got also to go with the overalls, this nice beaded bralette type of situation. I thought that was so cute with the little hanging beads. Like, what? Look at that. Little baggy Aaliyah 90s type of moment. Yeah, I just thought that was cute. They also sent me shoes, so let's get into that. I got these red babies, and honestly, these are my favorite. The length and everything is just so nice to me. I don't know. I'm really feeling these. Might wear them to Cowboy Carter. I don't know yet, y'all. I don't think I'm gonna wear them to SZA though. I gotta decide. I still gotta decide. And then I got these, y'all. These might be a little too hot right now. They come all the way above the knee. But this is what I had in mind for the t-shirt, so that you will feel a little bit more clothed. Like, you can do the t-shirt, but you're gonna need a little thigh boot, a little something like that to feel nice and classy with it. Don't be a little ratchet. I mean, you can be ratchet if you want to. I don't care. I also got this brown pair. That'll be very cute to go with that little white ensemble that I chose. So that's pretty much all that they sent. But for me to even be invited to the concert, I was just like jaw to the floor. But to also give me an entire wardrobe, insane. So I want to say thank you to Windsor for that. They are not sponsoring this video or anything. I just wanted to make this video because I'm so excited. But I don't know which one we should wear. Let me know in the comment section below which one I should wear for the SZA concert and which one I should probably wear for the Beyonce concert. If you have an opinion, I'd love to hear it because I don't know what I'm wearing. So we gotta figure it out, friend. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.